Hi guys, welcome to How to Solutions YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can ignore group chat on Messenger. Before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. So the first step you need to do is to open Messenger, but you can see there is no option in Messenger. So how you can do that? You simply need to go and open browser and open your Facebook account in any browser, and then you need to click on the Messenger in the top right, and then you need to go back, and here you can see a group conversation. Click on that, but as you can see it open to the Messenger, but I do not install Messenger for this video. And here you can see a group conversation. You simply need to click on the share icon in the top right of the conversation, and here you can see the option of ignore messages. Click on that option. Once you click on that, then you need to click on ignore messages again. So you can see that now this group conversation is ignored. So this is a process by which you can ignore group chat on Messenger. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.